Welcome to the Uni-ram standard operation for our solvent recycler, URS2000SS with 20 gallons. Let's ensure smooth operation with these steps. Step 1. Positioning the solvent receiving pail provided by Uni-ram. Place the receiving pail so the solvent outlet tube is inserted into the opening. Ensure the pail is 20 gallons, or 75 liters, and approved for containing solvent. If it's metal, connect the alligator clamp of the ground wire to the rim. Step 2. Installing a new liner bag. Install one of the LB2000E-10 liner bag. Ensuring the bottom sits flat on the distillation tank, squeeze the retaining ring into the liner bag and make sure it fits securely in the groove. Step 3. Filling the distillation tank. Make sure the filling valve is open. Fill the tank with used solvent up to 3 inches below the retaining ring. Overfilling can lead to blockages and leaks. Close the lid and cover securely. Step 4. Starting recycling. Press the start button. Distillation begins, and the heat lights come on and flash. To stop recycling, press Stop. Never open the cover and lid until the display on the keypad shows Ready. Step 5. Transferring clean solvent. Use the solvent transfer system to pump the solvent. Turn the transfer timer knob fully clockwise to transfer the solvent. Step 6. Removing debris. Wearing gloves and goggles, remove the retaining ring and slowly pull out the liner bag containing the debris. Dispose of the debris properly and avoid leaving old waste in the tank. Step 7. Cleaning the distillation tank. Remove any remaining debris from the tank. Clean with plastic or wooden tools and wipe dry with a cloth. Avoid abrasive or metal tools to prevent damage. Step 8. Cleaning the lid sealing surface. Use a cloth to clean and dry the lid gasket, and the lid sealing surface. This extends the life of the lid gasket and prevents leakage. By following these standard operating procedures, you'll ensure the efficient operation and longevity of your solvent recycler. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to stay with us. To make sure the machine is in top condition, let's start with replacing the lid gasket. Step 1. Open the safety cover and tank lid. Using a flat screwdriver, unscrew the gasket clamp screw and carefully remove the damaged lid gasket. Step 2. Clean the edge of the lid thoroughly with a scuff or abrasive material to remove any contaminants. Step 3. Wet the new gasket with soapy water and press it into the groove with your fingers. Ensure the gasket sits flat with no deformations and tighten the gasket clamp screw. Step 4. Verify the proper functioning of the lid gasket by recycling 10 liters of clean solvent. Next, let's move on to cleaning the vapor outlet port. Step 1. Remove the vapor outlet T and clean it thoroughly with a metal pin. Step 2. Ensure all openings are free from debris to prevent blockage. Then reinstall the vapor outlet T. Lastly, let's clean the condenser. Use an air blowgun or blow the air through the outlet to clean the condenser properly, and use a blowgun to clean the surface of the condenser to blow the dust away. By following these maintenance procedures and SOP, you'll ensure the optimal performance and longevity of your solvent recycler.